I love the combination. Sobrang perfect. Trying out the Lurch Effect Lip Combo. I got the Velvet Blur in the shade Gentle Kiss. So, ito yung product. And this is the diffuser. Akala ko parang sponge siya before, pero brush pala siya. It's a dense, very dense na brush. At I've waited a few minutes na, so let's do a transfer test. Yan. So you can see clean siya. Wala nga. In fairness. So here, yan, as you can see, clean sheet siya. Yung powder foundation ko lang yung nag-transfer. In fairness. Next is the Velvet Soft Lipstick Lip Bullet in the shade So Serene. So this is the Velvet Soft So Serene. And this is how it looks like. Yan. Hindi siya magnetic, pero ang smooth niya. Yan. Ang smooth lang niya ikutin. So this is the shade Gentle Kiss and So Serene combination. Ganda niya. Lakas niya maka-fresh. So try nyo.